Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 28, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, today I'm going to show you a technique that I use very often to find buy points in weak stocks. And the first thing I want to show you is a stock called Biogen. And many of you know it. This is a biotech company. The stock has really been very weak as of late. In fact, if you rewind the clock here, you're going to see that this used to be a $400 stock. If you rewind the clock back to June 2015. Today it's trading at around $253 a share, and most recently it did trade as low as $242 a share. But what I want you to notice is the moving averages. Here is the 200-day moving average on a daily chart. Here is the 50-day moving average, the red line, and you'll notice the blue line here is the 20-day moving average. Price is trading below all of those moving averages. Now, it did hold a little bit of what we call a double bottom pattern, and it did bounce up here, but it got rejected and stayed below the 20 moving average. That tells me we're dealing with a weak equity overall, a stock that is in a downtrend. Now, if you take a look at, say, something like the S&P 500, you'll notice that's above all of its moving averages. It's trading above its 50-day, its 20-day, its 200-day. So Biogen tells us that it has very little relative strength compared to the market. And that tells me we have to look lower if we're going to really find a buying opportunity or a buying area where the institutions will come in and support the stock. So what I like to do very often is go to a bigger time frame. And if you look at the weekly chart, you'll see that this is in a severe downtrend and there's really no bottom in sight. But if I go to a monthly chart, and this is something that I like to do very often, I look back here and I say, wow, this is where the market stalled out, the market pivoted, and look what's there, big $200 level. So that tells me that Biogen most likely wants to go down, probably trade down to the 210, 215 level. Maybe it gets supported, and then if it doesn't hold support there, it will hold support around the 200 level. So if you're looking to get into Biogen, it's anywhere from $200 to $214 overall to get involved in this stock on the long side. I really wouldn't do much with it before then at this point in time, simply because the equity is too weak. So when you see a stock like this, yeah, maybe it could be traded for bounces. But again, if you could get this stock around the $200 area and you put a stop basically below $195 on a weekly chart close, this looks like a very good opportunity. But let it get down there. This is a weak stock that has lower to go on the charts. But this is how you pinpoint opportunities in the market. This is how you find good support levels. This is how you find out where the institutions will come in and support the equity. So if you just take a look, this will be the last time that the stock pulled back before it broke out to new highs. There's a lot of institutional money right there, and this is around the area where the institutions want to come back in and own the equity. So I think anywhere from 205 to 210, 215. If you want to give us a stab there, that's where you can own it. You put your stop loss on a weekly chart close below 195. But again, to own Biogen right now at this point in time, I think it's still too risky of a trade, especially when you have this weak relative strength that we're seeing in the market. Let this go lower. You'll get a chance to own this stock a lot cheaper and have a much better risk-reward ratio to make a lot of money. And once again, if you want to trade this alongside of us here at InTheMoneyStocks, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get our cycle work. You'll also get our 2 times a week no hype live broadcast. That's where we allow members to come in, ask us questions about the market or anything that they may be looking at, questions about stocks that we're involved in, and we go over a bunch of other stuff in there. So again, that is all part of the research center product. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the research center, and you'll see what we're doing. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.